why I came out the last time as well is because there's a video I saw. So I saw a lady calling my children enemy bastards. That video really got to me.
My people, now wow, some people for this social media. Some people for this social media. Iyaga emu igo banu waka. Why is it kai? Why set it careful? See, the way some of una take dey do for this media, me dey imagine say wetin dey worry all these people. When matter come media, more na no dey carry am like say the thing na una na it happen to. I no understand. In window rehere go tie, you go talk am small comot for there. I go put this audio wey be say baby papa of Sharon take come out, come apologize, come talk to everybody. I go bring am come for una because the way una take dey carry issue get as e be o. E say e get one lady wey be say the lady e come dey call e own children, the woman come dey call e own children bastard. Can you imagine? Una too depression too much for una body. More una go take care of una self. Wayagba ogegbuwa arewe buare zedia yo do doctor, go and meet doctor, tell am say see wetin dey do you. How you go come out dey call person wey be say im mama never tell you say e no know im papa, dey call those children bastard. Can you imagine? Wa dijo bangwa na dijo revo. The way one take dey carry issue, God forbid bad thing. Wetin no concern una just carry. If they say if two people dey quarrel, if the third one come, odo wa dolo, ogo wa ejeveri on, una go scatter everywhere, una go destroy am. Like say that matter na una just happen to. Una girl na for inside house, una lock am kpakpakpa. Why ku mujiba? If una just hear another person yo, una go no go talk am small make una rest. Una no go do respect talk am make una comot. Una go put una pepper body come put for the matter. Now that one dey surprise me. Me go dey even dey ask myself say una fair get quarrel. Wa gbere iwo wa to agbe. I will put the audio for na make una listen to wetin the baby papa talk. Salobuwa. Those one wey be say they never, I no understand. Let Sharon na wama get rest. Person wey don kpai wa ye tell mo na wa for una make una still dey fear God o. Wa be amu ohun salobuwa. Innocent children wey no know anything, wey never even know una before. Waga tie bone mo. Nuwe money anatogbo wa bagbon. Wetin those children, they talk to una, they do una something. Im mama even know una before, they will know it dossier. Emi no see na. Wa dijo ba wa na dijo revo. Make I put the audio for now. Now small something they vex me. I have a frustration people una too many for media. Mona go meet doctor na abroad with day. Because some of una head not correct again. Wa iwe mi na gemi ati God that beg. Innocent children, you just get on it, call them, say they be bastard. They go call your home, make you happy. What did you?
Hello, good evening, everybody. This is Isaac speaking. This is a message to the general public. First of all, I would like to apologize to everybody. I know you guys reacted the way you reacted because you don't have a clue of the genesis of everything that happened. But I want you all to know that your reasons are very, very valid. The reason why I'm making this video is to urge everybody to please stop talking about Sharon, and also please stop talking about my children as well, because of their future. I'm really begging you, if you know you truly care about Sharon, if you know you truly love Sharon, please stop talking about her. Because I know if reverse was the case, you all know Sharon so well that she will never do anything like this. Please stop dragging her. Please allow the dead to rest in peace. I'm begging everybody, please. I'm not a social media person. In normal me, I wouldn't have, reacted to. I would have even stayed mute. I would not even react. But one of the reasons why I came out because of two reasons. And one of them was to clear the air and to stop blaming people, to stop involving people who does not even have a clue. Stop labeling people as their father. I think that was one of the reasons why I came out, to stop labeling people as their father. And secondly, the reason why I came out was because I saw through videos. I know in the past I've been getting a lot of videos, a lot of messages. I choose to be mute and also choose to ignore. But the reason why I came out the last time as well is because there's a video I saw. So I saw a lady calling my children enemy bastards. That video really got to me as a father. I don't think there's any responsible father out there that will see such video and not feel bad. I felt bad because my children, they are not bastards. Their enemies is they are not bastards. They have a father, not just a father. They have a responsible father. That was the reason why I came out. So I'm not here today to urge you all to stop talking about me, but rather I'm here today to beg everybody to stop talking about my children. Because of their future. Well, let's stop talking about their children, my children and their mother, please. Please, I'm really begging everybody. And to Sharon's mother, la wo egui yen kakabo muwe yen o muwe kakabo, because I mean one on lost obie ne na hia kabo die, but yen Sharon oda agmoya ya wo pa ebiobi kakabo di me kabo da me ma ma be Sharon ma eri ma be Sharon ya tai. Sharon Matai video at all, but we can go Saloba or any no soon. But I will go. Where man do a drag will be with social media. Anna do Cheve, Emine, Obi where, Emin Novi Wema, Noma Heki, I do a tally le, no baji. Allow, Kaya Webe, Ezo. I have Ezo, any Naya, Naduamo social media, any I may a solution here, solution here, may at all. Any yabi run streaming no be yamia equally wekelerio ni ade runda we runda igwale ekena na mi gwe a piece ro ihe go bi we gwan bi mi no so no, but mi ya no tama we rio ya so no ato, so de rio ya so no la wo go je igele mi ya we gwa ja pa social media re abi drama na all do too much gbe beni ado ya tell me Sharon ve normal ve ne ma vi normal yi la wo la any ya vi ya me akoli we kele ade, so that we na ya by now we na ya gba ori be kani mo keke we uwe on your matter na ya gba ori be kani keke uwe all matter right now. Yes, I know Sharon was a public figure, but Sharon or manami we she was somebody normal like any family or any day public no. A social media. Family or I'm willing to do it, but the drama is getting out of hand. Rundi bekani, rundi me, but rundi bekani la most of all these things. It's getting too much already. Let's allow the dead to rest in peace, please. Please. Thank you, everybody. Hello. The word Enogi. I greet you. Domo domo. Isaac Oguma. Ere Miche. Oka abodi me we. Eme Sharona. Oyi mabuwe do ya agwa we ofia ne mabuwe kedo agwa, because not be na do ye from ye your matter. You understand? Sharon Cabo, I tell me when we know my worst thing or what by him. He won't tell me on 30 times say whether or not even share the same birthday. So when he came everywhere, I will go in a cowboy in your way now. Sharon, la wo you na la na see Sharon na anything not concerning Sharon. No one more me you talk about him again la wo because of my children. Not just my children, because of your friend which is Sharon. So my hekinaiga he tell me je no ma la wo who delay me away la I beg you. So now waiting make me say I will send you message this evening. I will wear my me bill. I will me the special grace of God. Me be so la wo